welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to the pineapple garden.
Pineapple garden. That's all I heard.
Put some water on the grass.
Oh, he's stealing! He's stealing!
This is where they said Kanye West picked up his first pineapple in 1949. Frozen ice. Wait. Okay. That's so nice. Hi guys, let's go. So we're gonna go order this pineapple.
Right there.
We're gonna make it over there. We're gonna make it. Watch, I'll show you. What?
Where are you?
We are in line. Hold up. We're about to go watch these fireworks.
Put it reverse, man! Put it reverse! Oh, Lord!
So I got my ramen. Today we're going to be trying to sell this $15 shark. This is my best advice. If you can add value to an item, you can sell it. $15 shark!
Yeah. Yeah.
Got any words before going in?
Hey, yo, what's up? We're about to enter the jungle. Naked and afraid. Naked and afraid. That's what happened last time. The pre-waterfall. As you can see, we just made it. Montage, boom. Fireworks. Very cool. Look at those birds. They're telling me. I'm scared. Yo, to be honest with you, man, like, I'm not even scared.
Where's my malasada?
Hey, today's sponsor.
Where's my malasada?
Where's my malasada?
There are so many ways to experience Hawaii.
Bro, you're gonna have to leave a like because you thought that was an ad. You just got pranked. Oh my god, you just got pranked. Hey, fool. So I started school and the vlogs are gonna be hella lag now. But we still gonna be pushing content and best believe it's gonna be hella good. So subscribe. Hit that like button and hit that bell notification so you know when we drop a new vid. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I stole all the malasadas. Yeah, that duck that's robbing yo, I stole all of them. I have the mother.
Where's my malasada?
This is a girl like.
Looking at the history of Pearl Harbor, all these ships, everything. That was the first ship Kanye West sailed into Hawaii on.
Kanye West, the Kanye West.
It's hard. It's hard doing this, just hiking. Ah! Oh shit, it got dirty.
Boring.
Ah, we are on the way.
Do you know the way?
I am gonna Oh!
Venzy will jump.
Oh, that's impossible. Oh, the impossible. They say it was magic, but I told them it wasn't. Hey guys.
Who the fuck is this?
Alright y'all, we're about to head home. I'm gonna show you a quick workout routine at the top of the mountain. So this is usually where I like to do my workouts when I wake up in the morning. I like to do 10 push-ups and I like to go to the pull-up bar over here. That was just one for the example. But we're gonna go, we're done with the hike. We're gonna go eat now. Jamin, catch.
Oh no.
Catch.
You can see the tan.
Boom. Alright, y'all, we're gonna be eating at. I don't know where we're gonna be eating at, but now we're gonna be eating here. They got the Loco Moco. We're gonna try that today. Yes, sir. Ketchup. Alright, y'all. Boom. Shorty go right in the coupe. She looking at me, deja vu. She beeping with all of my bros. She asking me what is the move. She wanna go right in the coupe. Little baby, show me what you do. So attached to me like she a tattoo. Put it in a dress, call it that voodoo. Nah, nah, nah.